Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem Be the Best by Douglas Malloch, 8th standard poem. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. English workshop, be the best. Margin questions. First question. What is the main difference between a pine tree and a scrub? Answer. The main difference between a pine tree and a scrub is that pine tree is on the top of the hill and a scrub is in the valley besides the rill or a stream. Second question. What do people like to see along the highway? Answer. People like to see a bit of grass along the highway. Third question. What is the message given at the end? Answer. The message the poet has given at the end is, whatever you are, be the best. Question number 1. Read the words names given below. Put the bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the smaller circle. Words are musky, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, rill, sun, star, trail. Small sized words are bass, bush, scrub, star, trail, rill. Big sized words are musky, tree, pine, lake, highway, sun. Third question. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer. Hill, rill, bee, tree, grass, bass, make, lake, crew, do, here, near, trail, fell, star, are. Question number 4. Complete the following with appropriate words or phrases from the poem. First one is done for you. First, if you can't be a pine. Second, if you can't be a tree, be a bush. Third, if you can't be a bush, be a grass. Fourth, if you can't be a captain, be a crew. Fifth, if you can't be a highway, be a trail. Sixth, if you can't be the sun, be a star. Fifth question. Write whether the following are true or false. First, all must be the captains of the teams. False. Second, a bit of grass can make the highway happier. True. Third, we can win or fail depending upon size or position. False. Fourth, a scrub is found at the top of the hill. False. Fifth, if your work is not important, don't do it. False. Sixth, whatever job you have, do your best. True. Sixth question. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. First, the poem is written by Douglas Malloch. Second, the title of the poem is Be the Best. Third, the poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. Fourth, The lines that rhyme in each stanza are 4. 5th, the poet compares big things with small things. 6th, if you can't be a is a repeated expression in the poem. 7th, the line I shall always remember is be the best of whatever you are.